What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're taking a look at the OtterBox Symmetry Clear Edition for the iPhone 11 Pro and Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The OtterBox Symmetry Clear Edition was one of my most popular reviews of last year, particularly because you get OtterBox protection plus a clear design that shows off the color and look of your phone. So the Symmetry case comes in what I like to call frustration-free packaging, slides easily open like so, and the first and only thing that we get is the clear case itself, and that is pretty much it. So you can see here it's a very nice crystal clear design. There's no logos or seams or anything that obstructs anything on the back here. So once we have our iPhone in, you should be able to see everything that's on the back. Like the entire lineup of the Symmetry series, it is a fused hybrid style case with TPU rubber-like borders fused to a polycarbonate back shell. Alright, so I got my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here is a case. I usually go button side first, and it should, well, it's kind of sticky to pop in place, but there we go. Let's see how easy it is to take this case out. I usually like to pick a corner and use kind of like a leverage motion to pop a case out. Oh, comes out pretty easily actually. There we go. So it's a pretty easy case to take in and out of your phone. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a 7 or 6 in regards to the easiness of taking your phone in and out. Putting it in is the hardest part because the metal likes to stick against the clear TPU, but taking the phone out is a little bit easier. Alright, so take a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the clear TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone and lipping just above the glass display of the iPhone. On the sides, you have the OtterBox logo engraved next to the cover for the power button. And on the other side, you have a cutout for the vibrate and ring switch, covers for the volume rockers. And I think every year OtterBox is getting better and better at making really good button covers because these don't require a lot of effort to press and they still feel like actual buttons. Moving on to the bottom of the case, we have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. There's also a precision cutout for the triple lens camera, and you can see the case does an excellent job at showing off my space gray iPhone as well as the Apple logo. And for those of you who are wondering about wireless charging, here is the clear case. Place it on top of the charger, and you can see it charges no problem with the clear case on. Overall guys, I'm pretty impressed with the new Symmetry clear case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. I like how OtterBox doesn't obstruct this case with anything on the back here, let alone their logo. It's nicely tucked away on the side. And you can see the Symmetry case isn't a super thick case, but thick enough that it will give you a good amount of drop protection for a thinner style case. The fit on this case is pretty spot on. It's a nice and snug fit. There aren't any areas of this case where it's loose or sagging. And I'm really impressed with the button covers this year. They are very responsive, require very little pressure to actuate, and definitely a big improvement from last year. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could report is the clear TPU that's on the case here. I've had many comments on my past reviews of the clear Symmetry where the TPU eventually yellows over time, which unfortunately is the nature of the material. It doesn't matter what brand you get, but it just yellows over time, and I'm not exactly sure the science behind it, but I've had many reports on all my clear cases that eventually it does yellow. So hopefully by the time that happens, you're in the market for a new case, but if it does happen, I wouldn't be surprised. And the only other con I can mention is, as with all my clear case review videos, clear plastic does scratch up pretty easily, so that's just something to keep in mind if you want a clear case for your phone. In conclusion guys, if you're in the market for a clear case for your iPhone and you want something a little bit more protective than Apple's own clear case that doesn't even protect the bottom of your phone, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Symmetry clear case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about the clear case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.